Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up your Namecheap email. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first step that you need to do is you have to sign into your Namecheap account. The next thing that you have to do is you have to go to private email menu. That will be on your left, and then click on manage next to the domain you have the private email subscription for. You will then be redirected to the private email management page. Moving forward, you can see there is the private email button that you have to click, and when you click it, you will be taken here, and you can see you already have some private email subscriptions here that you can manage. And once there, you have to click on create mailbox button. You have to click here. So remember that you have to click here. After that, please note, if you do not have a free slot for mailbox creation, you'll have to see buy mailbox there instead of create mailbox. In this case, it is required to order one. If you don't have any free slot here and all your mailboxes are full, then instead of creating a mailbox, you have to click on buy mailbox, and then you have to buy it from the website. And then step 4, in the next window, insert the mailbox name you wish to have, its password and mailbox storage. Then click save changes. So this is how you're going to do it. You have to enter the name of the mailbox, you have to create the password, and you have to select the storage, and then you have to save changes. Moving on. Once done, you'll get the message success. Mailbox has been set up. So you can see you'll get this form of message that your selected mailbox has been set up. If you return to Namecheap private email subscription management window, you'll see your newly created mailbox in the list. Moving forward, yes, you can see here, this was the mailbox which was created, and now you can see this in the list of other mailboxes. Step number 5, you can now use open webmail button to access your mailbox web interface. So that was it. That is how you can get a Namecheap email. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.